Okay, this is Jason here, and I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to install dmedia 0.2 from the Novacut Stable Releases PPA. So how do you do that? First, click on Applications, go to the Ubuntu Software Center. Now click on Edit, Software Sources. There's this Other Software tab. Click Add, and now the magic thing you type, PPA:/Novacut/stable. Click Add Source, and close. You see the little thing happening in the background over there. And now, just search for dmedia. And this is the package. The second python-dmedia, you don't have to worry about. That was the old package name. But the one to install is right up here. So click on Install, enter your password. And you wait a little bit. And now dmedia is installed. So, on this workstation, I happen to have two USB card readers. And some memory cards with a bunch of photos on them, in this case. I'm going to insert a memory card. Now, there's a good chance you are already using Shotwell, so I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And if you were using Shotwell, to switch to dmedia, you'll have to go into, if you go to Places, Home Folder, just anything to open the Nautilus File Manager, and then go to Preferences, and on the Media tab, for Photos, you can see what you want to open it with. So we want to open it with the dmedia importer. And this is the same way you would switch back to Shotwell after experimenting with dmedia. So I'm going to insert this card again. The first time you run dmedia, there's a little welcome dialog. This will be improved later on, but so if you leave this checked, the next time you insert a card, it will launch dmedia automatically. So I'm going to say import files. Notice there's a little notify OSD. There's this orange application indicator. If you click on it, you'll see a progress. A couple other options, which I'll get to in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and shove in another card because I actually have two card readers. Another Notify OSD shows you're looking at two cards. Now in here it has the total files being considered combined on the cards. So while that's running, I'm going to show you, there's this option, Browse DB in Futon. So this is the CouchDB web interface. And CouchDB is what dmedia is using because CouchDB is awesome. So here's the dmedia database. I'm not going to explain a whole lot of this, but here's all the views. We can look based by content type. There's some JPEGs, some Canon RAW images. We can look at the types of records that we have. There's this machine record, import, file, batch. So there's one batch that we have running, and that's what this represents. But there's two separate cards, and it tracks each card separately in the database, which is pretty handy. There's this machine record, pretty cool. Anyway, let's see, we can look at sort by the file size. Smallest files, about 3.7 megs, largest files 2.55, or yeah, 25 gigabytes. Now see there's another notify OSD telling us that the import's done. The active import's gone in the menu now. And let's say I import another card, and you're experimenting with dmedia, and you just decide, you know, I don't want to have this run right now. Oops, I guess there's actually no files on there. Let's see, another card. If at any point you want to shut down dmedia, just go to shut down dmedia, and it will kill the dmedia service, and that's that. And then one last thing, if you want to remove dmedia, go back to the Software Center, search for it if you're not already looking at it, and click remove. And that's all. So that is a quick tour of how to install and remove dmedia from the Novacut Stable Releases PPA. So remember, PPA:/Novacut/stable. Thanks for watching.